Usain, I hope tonight you're not so tired because your teammates did all the work.
They really helped. They really helped. They came out here to run and to help me to win the championship, and I'm very proud of that.
I know that you're super self-confident, but did you have enough confidence in them that they're gonna do it?
Of course, my team, they're the best. Safa Powell was once a world record holder. Johan Blake is the second fastest 200-meter runner ever. Ash Maid I've come to almost every finals in the championship. So for me, I have three great teammates. So I had no doubt that we were going to do great.
If you're not Usain Bolt, if you're somebody else, what would you think of Usain Bolt? That he's great, or would you think, okay, this guy's crazy?
For me, I would think he's just great. He's an awesome guy. He's cool, down to earth, and just fun.
Why do you think you're so successful? I know you're talented, you work hard, but that's not enough.
I think it's just the way I am, my personality. People love my personality. I'm fun. I bring a different energy to the sport. So I think that's one of the things that helps me also to be successful.
Because this is for the radio, I would just like to know what's the song that you listen to, and if you could sing it a bit, and then I'm going to sing Happy Birthday to you.
For me, most of the time we listen to right now is we have a popcorn song that I listen to all the time. I can't sing it. I'm not that good.
Good luck, and happy birthday.